Hello बच्चों, let's read the question and the question says discuss the trends in chemical reactivity of group 15 elements. बच्चों यहाँ हमें ग्रुप 15 के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं दैट इज नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस, आर्सेनिक, एंटीमनी एंड बिस्मथ उनके केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज और केमिकल रिएक्शंस के बारे में डिस्कस करना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट वन बाय वन. लेट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टॉक अबाउट रिएक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स हाइड्रोजन. सबसे पहले कि ग्रुप 15 एलिमेंट्स अगर हाइड्रोजन के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो क्या होता है. रिएक्टिविटी रिएक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन बच्चों ग्रुप 15 एलिमेंट्स ग्रुप 15 एलिमेंट्स reacts with hydrogen to form hydrides of the type MH3. Like I can have NH3, PS3, ASS3, SBS3, BIS3. The stability of these hydrides, if I talk about stability of these hydrides, stability of these hydrides decreases down the group. So which hydride is more stable? Can I say it's NH3? Right, bacho? NH3 maximum, then I will have PH3, then I will have ASH3, then I will have SBH3, or last may I will have BIH3. So it was all about the reactivity towards hydrogen. Bacho, now let's talk about reactivity towards oxygen. Bachcho, if I talk about group 15 elements, group 15 elements reacts with oxygen to form oxide of type M2O3 and M2O5. Either I can have N2O3 or I can have N2O5, right? So basically group 15 element forms two types of oxide. One is M2O3 type and one is M2O5 type. The stability of higher oxidation state, that is in case of N2O5, the stability of higher oxidation state will decrease down the group, right? Stability of oxides of type M2O5 decreases down the group, right bacho? So as we move from N2O5 to P2O5 finally to Bi2O5, N2O5 will be relatively more stable, right? Okay. Now let's talk about reactivity towards halogen. Reactivity towards halogen. बच्चों group 15 elements reacts with halogen to form halides of type mx3 as well as mx5, but nitrogen, there is an exception, nitrogen does not form pentahalides. Why? Because it does not have empty d orbital, have empty d orbital, right बच्चों? तो कभी भी नाइट्रोजन कोवेलेंसी 500 नहीं कर पाता है, so we cannot get NCl5. Even NCl3 is also highly unstable, highly explosive होता है, right? So this was all about the reactivity towards halogen. One more point, let's write reactivity towards metal. Group 15 elements reacts with metal also. Group 15 elements reacts with metal to form binary compound. With metal to form binary compounds, right? Compound. अगर बात करूं, we can have Li3n, right? Mg3n2. So these are the metal nitrides, right? So if I talk about the oxidation state, in this case we will have oxidation state -3. So बच्चों, this was all about the chemical reactivity of group 15 elements. I hope you understood the question.